The average professional spends 31 hours per month in unproductive meetings. Writing up the notes and action items afterwards takes even more time. Today I'll show you how to build a system that transcribes and summarizes every meeting automatically, and sends the summary straight to your inbox the moment the call ends. No coding required. Here's what we're building. After every Zoom or Google Meet call, AI transcribes the conversation, extracts the key decisions and action items, and emails the summary to everyone who was on the call. The tools are Otter.ai for transcription, N8N for automation, and Claude for summarization. All have free tiers. Step 1. Set up Otter.ai. Go to Otter.ai and create a free account. Connect it to your Google Calendar. Otter will automatically join your scheduled Zoom and Google Meet calls and transcribe them in real time. Step 2. Set up N8N. Go to n8n.io and create a free cloud account. This is where the automation lives. Step 3. Build the workflow. Add an Otter.ai trigger. This fires whenever a new transcript is ready. Connect it to an HTTP request node pointing to the Claude API. The prompt tells Claude, "Here is a meeting transcript. Write a summary in 3 bullet points. Then list all action items with the person responsible and the deadline." Step 4. Add the email node. Connect a Gmail node to send the formatted summary to all meeting participants. The email subject is the meeting title plus the date. Clean and easy to search later. Step 5. Test it with a real meeting. Join a call with Otter running. After the call ends, check that the transcript arrives in N8N, the summary looks right, and the email lands in your inbox. From that point forward, every meeting you have is automatically documented. Your team gets the notes without anyone having to write them. Decisions don't get lost. Action items get tracked. This alone saves most teams 3 to 5 hours per week. Subscribe so you don't miss the next automation. Drop a comment if you've tried this. I'd love to hear how it went.